Hello everyone, it's lift tour time again, and today I'm at the Hilton in Lake Taupo, and now to the first lift. And this lift it's a watt. It's unknown, and it's very cheap and nasty, and has DMG buttons. And it's a stupid hydraulic. Ugh.
You okay, mate?
Buttons are on this side. I wonder what brand this is. The indicator's a bit odd. DMG buttons. I wonder who made this. Cab's alright, I suppose. Wow, that leveling takes forever. I thought I might have been stuck. Still, that's typical generic quality for you. Oh, we won't wait for it to close. Now we go along to the next lift, which is a really nice Kone Eco Disc, which goes from the underground car park. It's an Eco Disc at the Hilton to Lake Taupo. Here it is. Oh, we can go all the way up to level 4. It's an Eco Disc! Yay! Hello! It's got 2 sets of doors. Doors. Here we are. Doesn't open the other side. Here it goes. And now to the other Kone Eco Disc. Another lift at the Hilton in Taupo. Yep, here it is. It's another Eco Disc. Is your indicator going up? There's a view. Hello. Cab's nice. I love the Eco Disc motor. 12 persons, 900 kgs, installed 2007. Now we're going to go back now to the lift at the other end of the car park, which is another the KSS Kone Eco Disc. another one. The inside buttons don't beep, disappointingly. Up we go. Hello. Again, 12 persons, 900 kgs, installed 2007. Here we are. Now we're going to go back. Now we're going to go to the other end of the car park where there is another Kone Eco Disc that goes to floors basement. That goes to floors basement 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's ride it! It's another lift at the Hilton. Oh, this one doesn't have a try. It's another Kone Eco Disc. Yay! It's a bit shaky than the last ones. Down we go. Hello. 12 persons, 900 kgs, installed 2007. And then we wait for it to close. There it goes. And now to the last lift, and this lift is also a Kone Eco Disc, which also has KSS buttons and also goes to floors basement, which goes between basement and floor 4. Let's ride. Now to the next lift. This is the upper lift at the Hilton Lake Taupo. It's another Eco Disc. This one goes off. Hello. Again, capacity 12 persons, 900 kgs, installed in 2007. See anything from there? No, you can't.